Hello everyone, this is the demo of the tail log feature in the Salesforce Tool Suite Chrome extension. So what is the tail log? Basically, we can say tail log is for assisting developers by allowing more than two developers to work on the same project and debugging it simultaneously. In tail logs, debugs logs appears in real time and developer can filter these logs on the basis of events as well as users of the Salesforce org. Now let's quickly open the debug logs from here, and here are the tail logs. So here all the logs will appear. For that we have to run some code from our org. So here is my org, and here I have written some code in anonymous window. Let me just execute it. It will just print 10 times my logs. Execute it. So here is the log. Let's check the debug from here. My logs. Now let us go back to our Chrome extension. Here are all the logs. So firstly, from the basis of events, we will filter out the debugs. Let's search for debug here. You can see all the debugs from here. Now select user. If you want a particular user, let's say Ayush, he haven't logged anything, but Mukul is. So if you select Mukul as well, you will see my logs again here. That's it. Thank you.